Hi, Real Self. My name is Jill Fichtel, and I'm joining you live from ASDS 2015 to answer your top questions. A common question I get is, what's a consultation like for someone who's interested in non-invasive facial and neck rejuvenation? So for me, in my consultation process, I have the patient come in and I try to have them bring a picture where they felt their most beautiful. So my goal is to capture that youthful individual beauty when the patient felt that they were most beautiful. Usually it's around the age 25 to 35 when patients feel that way. So we look at that picture and really individualize and give a global approach to recapture that youthful look without diminishing the curvatures of the face or blunting the natural structure of the face to give a very natural appearance. I do this in a way that is non-invasive, is minimal downtime, minimal discomfort, and usually it's something I do on myself or my mother before I am entrusted to do it for patients as well. But that is my passion, that's my specialty, and I love what I do. Thanks for watching. For more information, answers to other questions, and before and after photos, please visit my profile on Real Self.
A new survey finds that women across the generations experience a disconnect between how young they feel and how old they look. More than 80% of women in the survey say their faces show signs of aging. Changes in the underlying structure of the face are the main culprits in facial aging. These are the changes that cause women to look into the mirror and see an image they no longer consider youthful. You can see the effects of aging in this 50-something mother and her 20-something daughter during routine facial assessments by specialists. Notice how different areas of the face change with age because of bone loss, fat redistribution, and loss of collagen. The younger face appears almost as a single structure, with smooth facial contours and very little shadowing between the various areas of the face. With aging, changes in both surface and subsurface structures of the face cause separation of these areas. In normal ambient light, age brings undesirable shadows that appear at various locations on the face. The goal of aesthetic correction is to help individuals be the best version of themselves with a youthful, natural-looking result over time. Conversations about aging need to be more than skin deep. Talk with your trusted specialist about having a facial assessment to develop your plan for natural-looking results and a more youthful appearance.
The BBL treatment is a great anti-aging solution.
Wonderful to have people remark that I do not look my age. BBL has changed my life completely. I don't know what I would do without it.
It's out there for the world to see on Facebook and Instagram. It haunts your selfies.
Yeah,
we know.
Unless you do it from the right angle.
Right.
Well, now a new non-surgical option can take the jiggle out of the jowl. Terry Sullivan says patients, they're giving it the chin up.
Nearly 70% of all Americans have a double chin thanks to weight gain, age, or genetics. Most of us, like Nicholas Klepper, don't like the look, but thanks to his wife...
I'm very hesitant. It took me a couple months for her to convince me to do it.
He's taking steps to dissolve his double chin.
Hi, Nicholas. How are you?
It's as simple as getting a shot.
This will be the area for the treatment.
Dr. Jill Fichtel, a board-certified dermatologist with Dermatologists of Greater Columbus, says Cabela is a permanent fix.
This is a synthetic deoxycholic acid that actually breaks down and dissolves the fat cells in a very small area, the double chin area.
An area that makes many people self-conscious.
A recent survey and study in 2014 said that about 80% of patients felt that this was something that really bothered them in all age groups, even more so than the crow's feet or equivalent to such. What I'm going to do now is mark the area.
Klepper is in for his second treatment. Most patients need between 2 and 4 sessions, and it's not cheap. Prices start around $800 per treatment, and it's not covered by insurance. Dr. Fichtel sterilizes and numbs the area. A template is then applied, kind of like a temporary tattoo. The doctor will use those dots to guide the injections.
Little spot, and you will be done.
The procedure takes about 10 minutes. Despite a little bit of swelling, you can already see improvement. Nicholas's before picture is on the right.
I can't wait for it to all the way be done. It'll be tucked up underneath there.
Cindy Elliott, who's had 2 treatments, sees success. Her before picture is on the left.
To have a chance to reverse and take gravity the opposite way, then why not? It makes you feel good about yourself and the way you look, and I have a younger husband, so that's good.
Final results for the procedure typically appear within a month or 2, just in time for Nicholas's family to see his new look.
I'll be up, chin up.
And ready for all those family pictures. For Good Day Columbus, I'm Terry Sullivan.
Huh.
Side effects can include, though, some swelling and soreness in the neck. There's also a chance the area will feel, numb for up to a month and will be red for a few days.
Now, in extreme cases, we've learned that facial muscle weakness can occur, but it usually corrects itself within a month. I don't know, though. With guys, though, I guess we could just grow a beard.
I love that he was brave enough to do the story, right? Like, you think of women and you think, cosmetic procedures.
I started to see fine lines in my early 30s. I noticed my parentheses getting a little more prominent and fine lines around the corners of my mouth.
I realized I needed to start changing my routine when a friend posted a reunion photo of me on Facebook. Frankly, I was a little more than surprised at the lines and the wrinkles on my face compared to my other classmates.
A friend mentioned to me that she was considering getting a filler. I didn't know too much about it, other than it was injected into the face to fill wrinkles and folds.
Personally, I wanted something that was not invasive, natural looking, and subtle. And I felt like you could get that with this, with the Juvederm XC.
What interested me about treatment with Juvederm XC, well, a number of things. Number one, I see, the process of time in my face a little bit. I see things that, have a little more lines.
My doctor told me that some fillers were made from hyaluronic acid, or HA. Over time, sunlight and other things can reduce the amount of HA in my skin and cause it to lose its structure, creating wrinkles.
I originally discussed treating just my parenthesis lines with my doctor. During our consultation, she informed me that Juvederm XC also works on my vertical lip lines, my marionette lines, as well as my corner lines. I decided to go for it all and get all 4 areas treated.
I was concerned about the outcome. Maybe the doctor would give me too much and the results wouldn't look natural. The actual injections were about 5 minutes. It was much faster than I thought it would be. It's definitely something I could have gotten on my lunch hour.
Yes, I'd get treated again. I've done my homework on Juvederm XC, and now I've seen the results for myself. I'd definitely return in a year for another treatment to maintain my look.
Oh my gosh, the results have just been amazing. I'm so happy with them because it is so natural looking, and I have actually had people say, "What did you do?"
I feel like my facial features reflect how I feel on the inside. Juvederm XC really diminished the look of these wrinkles. This area is smoother and still natural looking.
I try to juice every morning from carrots, ginger, apple, beet, kale, celery. Anything you have in the fridge, you can juice. I love using my juicer. It's something I do just for me. I love my house. My favorite spot in the house is my bedroom. I'm a very lazy person. You can't use that either. You know you're never supposed to ask a lady her age or weight, but I'm 50 years old. Well, I've had Botox cosmetic treatment here for several years now. I like that I know what to expect. When it comes to my face, I don't cut corners, which is why I talk to my doctor about Botox cosmetic.
I want to love my body. I want to look in the mirror and smile.
I can help.
I can help you.
We can do this. It's not what I deserve. It's about what my patient deserves.
And I want all my options. I want top of the line.
I want to look you in the eye and say, we can help you do that.
I'm as young as I feel.
I want you to feel as good as you look.
I want you to do it for yourself.
Because you are unique.
You are amazing.
Because I'm your patient.
I am your patient.
Because I'm your doctor.
And I am Alpheon. I am Alpheon.
We are Alpheon.
Introducing Halo, the world's first and only hybrid fractional laser. Halo uses new dual laser technology that combines deep dermal rejuvenation with epidermal renewal to remove years of sun damage.
My name is Kristen Farrell, and I host a TV show based here in Lake Tahoe. I was always the one who had to be the most tan. To me, it showed that I had been outside. It was the healthy glow. That's what I perceived it to be. As I got older, into my mid-30s, I started to realize that kind of treatment to my skin started to catch up with me. I started to notice sunspots, a lot more wrinkles, and it definitely showed up more when I was on camera. And so I was having to put on more and more makeup in my daily life and to go do my job.
Halo works by using 2 laser wavelengths to synergistically repair and rejuvenate your skin. The new integrated cooling system helps cool the skin during the procedure to make it more comfortable. Constant temperature monitoring of the skin ensures a safe and more accurate treatment. One laser targets the epidermis, the topmost layer of the skin, to reduce pigment and restore your glow. The other laser targets the dermis, the bottom layer of the skin, and removes years of sun damage from deep within. Your skin's natural healing process causes pigment from the damaged skin to rise to the top layer and will peel off within the first few days after the procedure. During the process, the deeper layers of your skin will continue to rejuvenate to improve issues like poor texture and visible signs of aging. Within days, your skin is left looking clear and radiant. Halo's amazing results can be seen in these UV photos. Because one laser targets deep sun damage, Halo not only removes the sun damage you see, but also the sun damage you don't see. With Halo, your natural radiance will shine through.
It was about day 6 where I was able to look at my skin and go, wow, that is night and day. Literally daily, I get to hear people say, your skin is just beautiful. It feels really, really good to know that I did the right thing for my face and for my job and for my future. Feels good to look in the mirror and see that.
What's great about Halo is that you can choose how many treatments you want, discuss with your clinician your needs, and you can choose to have 1 or 2 more aggressive treatments or have multiple treatments that are less aggressive and achieve a similar goal over a longer period of time. Look on the outside the way you feel on the inside. Halo removes years of damage from your skin, revealing new, healthy, radiant skin that glows from within. Restore the healthy glow of younger-looking skin with Halo, the world's first and only hybrid fractional laser. Ask your physician about the unique needs of your skin.
I decided to get a Galderma aesthetic treatment because it was my time. I started looking in the mirror and quite couldn't figure out who was looking back at me. There was someone else that was a little older than I felt.
I was really unsatisfied with the lines that I had on my face. I felt they made me look tired all the time. And I'm getting married in June and I just want to have the most perfect wedding pictures, and I thought that would help.
I'm 45, almost 46, and I just can't believe that I'm that old sometimes.
I was turning 50 and recently single and wanted to feel pretty again.
I've just entered my 7th decade and I was feeling really good, but noticing some fine lines.
The lines here on my face, it made me feel very drawn. My cheeks had fallen a little bit.
And I just started to notice a lot of asymmetry in my lips. So I thought, well, there's something I can do about this.
Prior to my Galderma treatment, I had a few concerns. My daughter had brought up the fact that it might not be safe.
I really didn't want to look like a duck, or I didn't want it to be noticeable.
But I was really skeptical. I'm not someone that goes and does those kind of things. Galderma, to me, when I went online, was a very reputable company. They had a long reputation of working with people.
The doctor definitely squashed all my fears and made me feel very comfortable having it done.
It was a very quick procedure.
wasn't anywhere near as painful as I thought it would be.
After 2 days, I could start seeing a difference and felt really good about it.
It was pretty minor and it really made a big difference.
Now that I've had the Galderma procedure, I'm so much happier. Not that I wasn't happy before, but I guess I was just feeling like I was getting older. Now I feel who I am inside. I'm young at heart.
I love my Galderma results. I feel like it's subtle enough that I notice the difference and it makes me feel pretty.
I feel like my lips look more even, that it took away the fine lines, and it's not just younger, it's better.
My cheekbones, they are fuller, they're more defined, and you put a little bit of blush or anything on to enhance them, and it's amazing the difference that it makes in my face.
Family members have noticed, and I've had several friends comment that they can see a difference.
Nothing was fake. Nothing looked like it had been done.
It has made me feel more confident in my life, not only with work, but in my personal life.
I would recommend it to a friend.
Be prepared to really love the way you look afterwards.
I would do it again in a heartbeat.
I am so happy with the results. I'm going to be the best person that I can be and the best looking Robin that I can be on my wedding day.
When we worry about lines and wrinkles forming as we age, we tend to focus on the upper part of the face. But did you know that your lips and mouth area can show visible signs of aging as well? With age, fat and collagen that were once evenly distributed can deteriorate, resulting in thinner skin and noticeable lines and wrinkles. Lip shape, fullness, and definition are based on a variety of factors, including genetics. Over time, lips become thinner and can lose definition. The Cupid's bow of the upper lip begins to flatten. Vertical lines appear and become deeper with age. Even bone loss can occur, resulting in decreased lip volume and lengthening around the mouth. For more information, talk to your doctor to find out how you may be able to address these signs of aging.
I want to look beautiful.
I want to love my body.
I want to look in the mirror and smile.
I can help.
I can help you.
We can do this. I want to see clearer. I want to focus sharper.
I want to dance without worrying what people think of me.
I want to look you in the eye and say,
We can do that. Yeah, we can do that.
I want to make a difference.
I want to make a difference that you will notice.
And I want all my options.
I don't want a quick fix. I want top of the line.
I want to give you the best.
I know that my training counts.
4 years of medical school,
9 years of surgical training,
Rigorous residency training, fellowship.
hundreds of hours of sleepless nights.
My training matters. It counts.
I'm as young as I feel.
I want you to feel as good as you look.
And look forward to tomorrow.
I am looking forward to tomorrow.
Because you are a dream maker. A dream maker.
A miracle worker.
I want your husband to look at you.
Your coworkers will look at you.
Your wife to look at you and say,
Absolutely nothing.
Just stand there.
Speechless.
I want you to do it for yourself.
Because you are amazing.
You are amazing.
Because I'm your patient. I am your patient.
I am your patient.
Because I'm your doctor.
Because I'm your doctor.
And I am Alpheon. I am Alpheon.
We are Alpheon.
Mirrors. They show us all our problem areas. Those places that we can't wish or squish away. Well now, fear no mirror and eliminate those problem areas with Cool Sculpting. The patented cooling technology targets and kills fat cells with no surgery or downtime.
After getting the Cool Sculpting procedure, it gave me back the body I had before I had kids. I feel much more confident.
I don't have to think about what I wear and how it's going to make me feel anymore. I know everything I put on is going to make me feel good. And that's a new feeling.
It really has been one of the best things that I've done. It's made me really feel confident. Just makes you feel kind of a little bit more like, I can do this. I can do this.
And with the Cool Sculpting procedure, you can do
I can help you.
I want to make a difference.
I want to make a difference that you notice.
I want to give you freedom.
I want to offer you choice.
We collaborate. We work to make a decision together.
I want my practice to help patients in every aspect of their lives.
I want to give you the best.
Because you are unique.
Because I'm your doctor.
And I am Alphion.
Imagine confidence that only comes with being confident in your skin. Teoxane Laboratories, a market leader in aesthetic medicine, is making the benefits of their patented hyaluronic acid products available in a specialized line of skin care. These products are clinically proven to hydrate the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles, resulting in the restoration of volume and a youthful appearance. Unlike traditional hyaluronic acid, Teoxane's resilient hyaluronic acid delivers unsurpassed hydration, a key to moisturizing and tightening the skin. Based in Geneva, Switzerland, the strength of Teoxane is the result of more than 10 years of research that combines RHA resilient hyaluronic acid with specific complexes of ingredients for a targeted response to the visible signs of aging. Try Teoxane RHA cosmeceutical products, innovation and purity that offer your skin a healthy glow with subtle and natural results. Teoxane Laboratories. Confident in your skin, confident in your life.
Introducing Skin Essentials Omega Advantage. The most beautiful things in nature are nourished from deep within. Did you know that your nutrition could directly impact your skin health? Among the many nutrients that play a role in skin health, essential fatty acids, or EFAs, omega-6 and omega-3 are key to maintaining the functional health of skin, which is directly related to skin appearance. Research has shown that a balanced ratio of these EFAs is beneficial to skin maintenance. Today's Western dietary habits have led to an imbalance in the consumption of omega-6 to omega-3 EFAs, with an increase in omega-6 rich processed food and less consumption of omega-3 rich foods such as salmon, eggs, green leafy vegetables. We are imbalanced. Maintaining a balance is essential for the functional health and appearance of skin. Omega-3s can influence skin function and appearance, help control the body's natural inflammatory response, and play a role in minimizing UV-induced skin damage. Omega-3 supplementation can help keep the balance and improve skin appearance. Not all omegas are created equal. Skin Essentials Omega Advantage is a purified supplement that provides more key ingredients to benefit your skin's maintenance routine. Skin Essentials Omega Advantage takes small fish from a sustainable source, caught from the ocean in their natural triglyceride form. The fish are pressed to collect the unpurified native oil, which still contains toxins. We remove the toxins by using heat and alcohol, leading to a synthetic form of omega-3 that is often not well absorbed by the body and can be found in many other over-the-counter brands. Skin Essentials Omega Advantage takes the extra step to remove the alcohol and convert it into a reesterified triglyceride form. This is a similar form to eating omega-rich foods such as fish, making it potent and easy to absorb.